Welcome GK and Nursing Exam Channel o jatono lamshogo CHU exam ni question tubui paidinaile. Question number 1. Causative organism of HIV is human immunodeficiency virus, Sarcoptes scabies, Neisseria gonorrhea, Treponema pallidum. The right answer is A. Human immunodeficiency virus. Next, cholera is a bacterial disease, viral disease, protozoal disease, fungal disease. The right answer is A. Bacterial disease. Causative organism bacterial Vibrio cholera. Next, best disinfectant for cholera is bleaching powder, Cresol, coal tar, formalin. The right answer is B. Cresol. Next, the causative organism of dengue fever is enteric virus, arbovirus, variola virus, influenza virus. The right answer is B. Arbovirus. Next, causative organism of measles is varicella zoster virus, Myxovirus, HIV, Paramyxovirus. The right answer D. Paramyxovirus. Next, what age group is most affected by measles? Childhood, adult age, old age female, old age. Answer A. Childhood. Next, which of the following patient is at high risk of UTI? Diabetes mellitus, patient on arthritis, patient with urinary stone, patient family history of UTI. Answer A. Diabetes mellitus. Next, the most common side effect of IUCD insertion is bleeding, pain, pelvic infection, ectopic pregnancy. The right answer A. Bleeding. IUCD full from intrauterine contraceptive device. Next, causative organism of chickenpox is varicella zoster, herpes zoster, variola virus, Zika virus. The right answer A. Varicella zoster virus. Next, clinical features of chickenpox: skin rash, fever, pain in back, all of the above. The right answer all of the above. Next, which of the following is also known as whooping cough? Rubella, German measles, pertussis, pneumonia. Answer C. Pertussis. Next, rubella is also known as rubella, German measles, pertussis. The right answer B. German measles. Next, which of the following disease has been completely eradicated from the world? Diphtheria, smallpox, chickenpox, polio. The right answer is B. Smallpox. Next, the most common cause of blindness in India is glaucoma, cataract, vitamin A deficiency, trachoma. The right answer is B. Cataract. Next, when helping a stroke patient, the nurse should assist on the weak side, on the strong side, from back, from behind. Answer A. On the weak side. Next, medical management for increased intracranial pressure include administer mannitol, administer half-strength saline, administer IV diazepam, administer IV nitroglycerin. The right answer is A. Administer mannitol. Next, BDRL test is used for the diagnosis of gonorrhea, syphilis, thyroid fever, diphtheria. The right answer B. Syphilis. Next, Koplik Spot symptom is associated with measles, diphtheria, chickenpox, pertussis. The right answer A. Measles. Next, cerebral malaria is caused by B. Vivax. P. Vivax. P means Plasmodium. Plasmodium vivax. Plasmodium falciparum. Plasmodium ovale. Plasmodium malaria. Answer A. B. Plasmodium falciparum. Next, most common complication of mumps in children is pneumonia, pancreatitis, aseptic meningitis, encephalitis. The right answer is C. Aseptic meningitis. Next, which of the following is the viral disease? Diphtheria, typhoid fever, chickenpox, plague. The right answer C. Chickenpox. Next, which of the following is an example of communicable disease? Cancer, diabetes, measles, stroke. The right answer C. Measles. Next, which of the following is an example of non-communicable disease? Measles, HIV, cancer, cholera. The right answer is C. Cancer. Next, disease that spread from one person to another person are called communicable disease, non-communicable disease, degenerative disease. The right answer A. Communicable disease. Next, what is the major causative organism of infantile diarrhea? Rotavirus, Salmonella typhi, Shigella. None. The right answer A. Rotavirus. Next, Kala Azar is transmitted by biting of which of the following? Sand fly, Aedes mosquito, tick, housefly. The right answer A. Sand fly. Next, which of the following disease transmitted by mosquito bite? Dengue fever, chikungunya, yellow fever, all of the above. The right answer D. All of the above. Next, what disease is associated with hydrophobia? Dengue, rabies, plague, mumps. The right answer B. Rabies. Next, hepatitis A transmitted through contaminated food and water, through sexual contact, use contaminated needles and syringes, through air. The right answer A. Contaminated food and water. Next, hand washing is essential before and after any procedure to avoid contamination, to prevent cross infection, to prevent self infection. The right answer B. To prevent cross infection. Next, what vaccines are given during pregnancy? BCG, rubella, DPT, tetanus. The right answer D. Tetanus. Next, normal random blood sugar level is 82 110 mg per dl, 32 60 mg per dl, 72 80 mg per dl, 222 250 mg per dl. The right answer A. 80 110 mg per dl. Next, which is the term used for slower heart in an adult, usually less than 60 beats per minute? Bradycardia, tachycardia, arrhythmia. None. The right answer A. Bradycardia. Next, vertigo is due to problem in middle ear, inner ear, external ear, tympanic membrane. The right answer, inner ear problem. Next, shingles is caused by variola virus, toxoplasma, CMV, varicella zoster virus. Right answer D, varicella zoster virus. Next, which disease cause inflammation of parotid gland? Mumps, rubella, chickenpox. The right answer A, mumps. Next, typhoid fever incubation period 10 to 14 days, 3 to 5 days, 21 to 25 days, less than 3 days. The right answer A, 10 to 15 days. Next, stones in the gallbladder, cholelithiasis, cholecystitis, calculi. None of the above. The right answer A, cholelithiasis. Next, doses of rotavirus vaccine 0.5 ml intramuscular, 0.1 ml intradermal, 2 drops orally, 5 drops orally. The right answer D, 5 drops orally. Next, currently Indian immunization program, how many vaccine provided free against disease? 9 vaccine, 12 vaccine, 7 vaccine, 6 vaccine. The right answer B, 12 vaccine. Koyekta communicable disease ni bumong ang oro sei reka narok screenshot kai narok diabum. Okay. Tay pasta non communicable disease ni bumong narok comment kai sari dolawo. Tay channel na subscribe kai di, like kai di, share kai di and comments kai di. Tay nai tong bagai balai ke hambai jatana no.